We got a movie car in here. This is an actual movie car. This is the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. We've done one before. They beat them up pretty good, these cars. However, this is not actually about the movie car, Marvel Comics. What it is about is what was wrong with this. Okay, so over here, we go to a flywheel. The clutch was burnt up inside of this vehicle. It's very bad. So we put a new clutch in here. Let me show where the clutch is. Alright, here's the clutch. Right here. It was in this 2006 Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. Saturn Vue car. And it was burnt up pretty bad. You can see how that looks. And, you know, when they're running from the bad guys, they're really burning this thing up. So they burnt the clutch up. They do that all the time in these movies. Alright, so now we replaced the clutch and we put the flywheel on. Now, before we replaced the clutch, we tried to start the vehicle and the starter would whirl. Okay, so we assumed that it may have had a bad starter. This flywheel, see if I can show you, mounts to the engine like this, and the big gear is in the back. So the starter engages that gear. So what happened once we got the new clutch in, which is this loop clutch, we got a new clutch in, and also put this flywheel in, the starter still whirled, which we knew we had that. So we figured originally that we had a bad starter. But that wasn't the case. The problem was this gear here. The engine was turning, the starter would come out and turn the teeth, but we had to hold this part of the flywheel to find out. But what was happening is this whole part was turning around. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to, once this turns, it's supposed to turn the whole flywheel. So this had come off. So this is see that there? So if you look at it, now I had thought perhaps maybe to weld this back on, maybe TIG weld, but this is going to have a lot of force. Maybe it would hold, maybe it wouldn't. Instead, I just went on and put a brand new flywheel on. Okay, but this wasn't welded on. What they probably did was maybe, I don't know, heat this up, put it on, and let it shrink itself right to there, and had a friction fit. That's probably what they did. Now I can't get this off. Let me see here. Oh well. Whew, can't get it off now. Let me see if I can get a screwdriver or something, lift that back up. There you go. All right, so if you see the starter is whirling, it's singing like zinging, like zing. As I said, what was happening, let me put this back on. Only thing the starter was doing was zing. It was putting this, turning this around. Bad flywheel. Okay, that was on the 2006 Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. movie car, but it can be on any Saturn Vue or any vehicle with the 2.2 liter that has the manual transmission here. All right, let's see. We got it back in, so We're gonna put the wheels on and get it started. I don't know what their music is. I gotta go and see what Agent of S.H.I.E.L.'s music is.